Class 4 grammar. Now chapter 8 will start. Tenses. Okay, now see. Okay, we will do tenses. The form of a verb. Okay, the form of a verb that shows the time of an action is called tenses. Now what is tenses? The form of a verb that shows the time of an action is called tenses. Okay, a verb which shows the time of action, that is known as tenses. Means it is about whether it is present, past or future. Now see, there are three main kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Now see, each tenses has four different forms: simple, continuous, present, present perfect. Okay, now see, there are 12 different tense form. They are present simple, past simple, future simple, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Now okay, these are the 12 tenses. Now see, we have 12 different tenses. Now see, we shall deal here with the first 5 tenses only, and by you will learn the other 7 tenses also. Now see, study the following tenses carefully. Now next page. We respect our teacher. We respect our teacher. See the word respect. So that is present. We respected our teacher. That is past. We will respect. That is future. Understood? Respect is present. Respected past. We will respect is future. Here for present simple V1, that is a single subject, takes V1 plus S, that is ES. They go to school. He goes to school. It takes the S and ES form. Okay, for V1. Now see, present simple. And here for past simple, that is V2. Okay, both for singular and plural. Now see, he went to school daily. They went to school daily. Okay, now see, for future simple we will use will and shall. We will go to school daily. They will go to school daily. Okay, clear? Now see, this is present simple, past simple and future simple. Present simple, it will take S form or ES form. In past simple you will, okay, for singular and plural but both. Okay, see, went. Okay, he went to school, past. They went to school, past. Now for future, he will go to school. They will go to school. Okay, this is the future form. Now so here respect is the present form, respected is the past form, and here will respect is the future form. Now the first exercise, choose the correct word from each blank. The sun shine or shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. The stars shine at night. We go, okay, we go to school by bus. He goes to school by bus. Okay, he will be goes, we will be go. Stars will be shine and sun will shines. Okay, now next. Now tell the tense here. Mother cooks food for us. So that is present. Mother cooks food for us, present. Mother cooked, past simple. Mother will cook, future simple. Gardener waters, past, present. The gardener watered, that is past. And the gardener will water, will future simple. These are the tenses. Okay, 1 and 2 you do. Rewrite each sentence with simple past form. Number 3 and 4 next day we'll do. So only 1 and 2 you do today. Okay, so your homework will be 1 and 2 for today, this much. Okay, 1 and 2 only for today, this much. Thank you.